Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cryptocurrency Update Daily, and today's topic is crypto trading strategy, maximum profits and minimizing risk. And the first point is research and education. Research and education starts with a solid understanding of cryptocurrency market. Learn about different coins and technology and market trends. Risk management: set a clear risk management strategy that determines how much of your capital you will willing to risk on a single trade and stick to it. Diversifying your portfolio: don't put all your funds into single cryptocurrency. Diversifications can help spread risks. And the next point is long term versus short term. Decide whether you are a long term investor or a short term trade and choose your assets and strategies accordingly. Technical analysis: learn technical analysis techniques to read price charts and identify patterns that may help predict price movements. Fundamental analysis: understand the fundamental analysis of the cryptocurrencies you are interested in, such as technology, team, and real world use cases. The next one is keep emotional in check. Emotion driven trading can lead to poor decisions. Stick to your trading plans and avoid impulsive actions. Stop loss and take profits orders. Set stop loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit orders to lock in profits at a determined prices. Trend following: considers trend following strategies where you buy when the market is bullish and sell during bearish trend. And the next point is paper trading. Practice with a demo of paper trading accounts to test your strategies without risking real money. Scaling and scalping, involving making numerous small trades to profit from short-term price fluctuations. It requires quick education and can be high risk. Swings trading aim to capture price swings over a few days or weeks, making it less intensive than day trading. Holding: the hold strategies involve holding onto your investments for a long term and often through market volatility. And the next one is arbitrage, involving taking advantage of price differences for the some cryptocurrency on the different exchanges to make a profit. Stocking and yield farming: some investors participate in stocking and yield farming to earn passive income by locking their tokens in DeFi protocols. Cost averaging: dollar cost averaging (DCA) involves regular investing a fixed amount of money into a cryptocurrency regardless of its price to reduce the impact of volatility. And records keeping: keep details records of your trades including entry and exit points and profits and losses to learn from your successes and mistakes. Crypto trading can be highly rewarded, but it's also risky. It's crucial to approach it with a well thought out strategy, discipline, risk management, and commitment to continuous learning. And that's it for today. And we will learn more about trading cryptocurrency updates daily by